Information for questions 7 through 10. The Center for Disease Control collects interesting data on the health of U.S. citizens. I took random samples of the states, including the District of Columbia, and obtained the following bivariate data. X% of states' residents who stated that they had not participated in any leisure time physical activity during the last month, and Y% of obese residents. The data is displayed in the following table. Alright guys, so for this next problem, number 8 that we're going to be completing, you guys are going to need this calculator, so get yours out. So for question number 8, they're asking us to create a residual plot of the linear model. Of the following statements, choose statements that are correctly describe these unusual values. Follow these steps to complete number 8 in the calculator. First, you have to look at the chart, plug in all the numbers into a spreadsheet. You have to add no leisure time and physical activity into column A and obesity into column B. Name the columns. Then you create a new page, go to data and statistics. You have to insert column B into the y-intercept and insert column A into the x-intercept. After you select menu, then you press analyze, residual, and then show residual plot. You select the menu, analyze, you go to regression, and then show linear, A plus BX. From the residual graph, it can be interpreted as the two furthest points from the line, both above and below. You have to have the altitudes of 25.4 and 5.27. Then you have to have 26.8 and negative 4.37. Then you add, based on the regression line above, you have to add 25.4 and 5.27 is Alabama with the regression altitude of 25.4 and 32.2. Likewise, 26.8 and negative 4.37 to 26.8 and 23.8, which is New Jersey. Then you add from the 6 options of question 8 that the statements 1 and 6 are true if you look over them. So that's making D the correct answer. Number 9 is asking us to consider this linear model and asking which of the following statements are true. It gives us 6 options. To begin this, you're going to have to go back to the spreadsheet you used in question 8, then you select menu, go to statistics, stat calculations, then linear regressions, A plus BX. You have to select the appropriate X list and Y list. You have to check OK. From there, you will get plus R equals 0.729725 and plus R to the second power equals 0.532498. For the statement 1, R to the second power by definition is the variation in rates. Since obesity rate is being experimented in this problem and R to the second power equals 0.53, which is 53%, the statement 1 is correct. For statement 4, R by definition is a correlation coefficient which is about linear strength. Since R equals 0.729, which equals 73%, choice 4 is correct. For statement 5, this question is addressing the slope of the line. For every 1% increases in no leisure time of physical acuity, there is 9% increase in obesity rate. From the question 7, the equation of the choice has the slope of 0.8836. This is making answer C the correct answer. This is information for questions 28 and 29. To help consumers access the risks they are taking, the Food Drug Administration, FDA, publishes information on the amount of nicotine found in all commercial brands of cigarettes. A new cigarette has recently been marketed. The FDA randomly samples 16 cigarettes of this brand and measures their nicotine contents. The samples and the measurements are below. Number 29 is asking, suppose that the manufacturer of this new brand of cigarettes claims that the average amount of nicotine per cigarette is 24 milligrams. Does this data from the FDA disagree with the manufacturer's claim? Because from question 28, the right answer is D, 25.024 and 26.876, this is making choice C in number 29 the correct one. Yes, the data from the FDA disagrees with the manufacturer's claim because the values of 24 mgs does not contain the 90% of confidence interval for